Hello, in our last video, we learned how to resize objects in AutoCAD, but resizing alone isn't enough. Your dimensions also need to look clean, accurate, and readable. I am Dianga Betrantimgum, a master holder in civil engineering and a working civil engineer. In this video, I will show you how to change and format dimension styles in AutoCAD, step by step. What are dimensions in AutoCAD? Dimensions are the visual indicators of size that tell contractors, engineers, and architects exactly how long or wide something is. But if your dimensions are too small, off scale, or inconsistent, your drawing loses meaning. So, quick fix. Let's draw a basic dimension in AutoCAD. So we move to our Annotate tab and we click on Dimensions here. So we can just dimension by clicking on the first point and on the second point, and we're going to place our dimensions. Immediately we discover that the dimensions are messy. So the quick fix: select the dimensions, right click, and navigate down to Properties. We scroll down to find arrow size. So here is it. We type in 0.5 for arrow size, enter. Then we scroll down to find text size. We type in 0.5, enter. So as we can see, the dimension reduces, but it's just a quick fix. The right way to do it is to create a dimension style. Let's make a professional dimension style. Type in dim style on your command line, press enter. Now you're going to create new, and there you're going to put copy of standard. So you just use the copy of standard, and you want all dimensions. You're going to click continue. Under lines, you're going to make sure that you extend dim line. You've cancelled extension of dim lines, and you go to symbol and arrow text. Basically there is nothing there to change. I like it that way, but make sure your job height factor is 0.25 here. Your job height factor is 0.25. Text to fit. Your text placement, I prefer it to be centered, so you can change the text placement. Fittings, I think primary units, we want our units to be decimal. In this project we started by setting into 0.00, that's in 2 decimal places with meters. So we are just going to click OK. Make sure you set the copy of standard as current, the one you just created. There you click on close. Now we are going to click on apply your style. Navigate to annotate, click on dimensions here, select a base point and select another point. Now we can choose where to dimension. Let's say we want to dimension here, we'll click here. We can redo it on the left side to dimension here. We can equally dimension the interior and this other side. And that's how you format and control dimensions in AutoCAD the right way. In the next video, we'll go into aligning objects in AutoCAD so your drawing stays sharp and symmetrical. If this helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. I am Dianga Betrantimgum. See you in the next one.